Guys, Yindel Castillo here. The bus isn't starting. We can't go anywhere. Riley's crying.
Oh no!
Diego's crying.
We have to push the bus.
Yes, we gotta push the. Joel's crying. This is really upsetting. I'm gonna end it all tonight.
Whoa!
Hello, truck. This young's asking who Tank is. I don't know who that is. Hello, Tank. I hope you watch this video. Riley Tipton apparently has a tank, and she says she's gonna hit me with it.
Riley Tipton lied.
What do you guys know about Kettle Tipton?
Thomas the Tank Engine.
I'm not related to that.
You're not related to her?
I don't know who that is.
You look just like her.
Hey, Trombone Shorty is going to be at Minglewood Hall in Memphis on March 16th if anybody wants to go see him.
Let's go.
I don't.